Okay, we're here at gotomath.com. We're looking at some calculus, and we're going over the rules of differentiation. And this particular one here, I believe, is in this section right here. Okay, so it says find the derivative, and we have y is equal to cotan of x. Now you should memorize this. However, what we're going to do for this particular one here, since we're just starting off learning this stuff, let's say, we're going to convert this to sines and cosines, because you should know that if we had sine x and we wanted to find y prime, we should memorize or know that this is cosine x, and if y were equal to cosine x, we should know that the derivative is negative cosine x. And by knowing these two right here, this sine, not cosine. Okay, by knowing these two, we can derive up tan and cotan, secant and cosecant, and all that. So first thing I'm going to do is convert this thing to sines and cosines. So cotan is cosine x over sine x. And remember, tan x is sine x over cosine x, but cotan is 1 over tan, right? So we want to take the derivative of this now. So we're going to use the quotient rule, the derivative of the numerator, which is negative sine x, times the denominator, sine x, minus the numerator, times the derivative of the denominator, which is cosine x, and this is all over sine squared x, right? We square the denominator. Now what we'll want to do is clean this up. What we have here is, I'm going to go ahead and factor this negative out, and so we have a negative. I'm going to start a parentheses here. We have sine squared x plus cosine squared x, and it's all over sine squared x. Alright, remember this is still y prime. And so we have an identity up here, sine squared x plus cosine squared x is 1. And so we have negative 1 over sine squared x. Now obviously you don't want to do this every time. You just want to be able to look at that and go, oh yeah, the derivative is this, right? Let's continue this over here. So y prime. Now I'm going to rewrite this as negative cosecant squared x. So this, when you see this, you want to go, oh, the derivative is negative cosecant squared x. Okay, you don't want to have to go through all this. Man, I mean, this may be just a little part of a big problem. Okay, but that's kind of what you want to memorize. But that's how we did it. We knew these two guys, derivative of sine, derivative, and the derivative of cosine. We converted this to cosines and sines, and then did the quotient rule. All right, and let's see. Yeah, there it is right there. I don't know. Yeah, I hit the help button. That's what it says. Derivative you must memorize. All right.